The frightening size of the following animals will surprise you. The blue whale, the largest animal to ever live on Earth. It can grow up to 82 feet long and weigh as much as 180 tons. That's about the size of an Airbus A380. The African elephant, the largest land animal, standing up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing up to 25,000 pounds. It's a true giant of the savannah. The giant octopus. The giant octopus, with tentacles stretching up to 30 feet. This deep sea marvel is the largest octopus species in the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.